Maligayang pagdating sa Entrepreneurship Self-Learning video, kung saan tinutuklasan natin ang importance and types of business records and accounting business records. Idinisenyo ang video na ito upang mag-alok sa iyo ng mga nakakaengganyo at kapaki-pakinabang na pagkakataon para sa parehong structured at self-driven na pag-aaral na nagbibigay daan sa iyong matuto sa sarili mong bilis. Magkakaroon ka ng kalayaang isali ang iyong sarili sa nilalamang pang-edukasyon habang aktibong nakikipag-ugnayan dito. Samahan kami sa Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel para sa nakakapanabik na pang-edukasyon na pakikipagsapalaran.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Learning objectives. After going through this lesson, you are expected to identify the importance of keeping business records, identify the different types of business records, and create or make business records. Let's have a pre-test from this topic. Directions. Read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Why is legal compliance a fundamental reason for maintaining business records? A. Enhancing employee morale. B. Adhering to tax obligations. C. Improving financial analysis. D. Facilitating business planning. What is the primary purpose of a general ledger in accounting business records? A. Tracking inventory levels. B. Recording payroll information. C. Summarizing financial transactions. D. Managing employee performance. Which type of journal records cash payments in accounting business records? A. Sales journal. B. Purchase journal. C. Cash receipts journal. D. Cash disbursements journal. Why are accounts receivable and accounts payable records important in accounting? A. Monitoring employee performance. B. Tracking customer and supplier transactions. C. Analyzing financial trends. D. Facilitating business planning. What do bank reconciliation statements aim to achieve in accounting business records? A. Tracking inventory levels. B. Reconciling cash and bank balances. C. Managing employee performance. D. Summarizing financial transactions. Let's have a recap from the previous topic. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. How should sales projections be organized for insightful business analysis? A. In a poetry format. B. In rows and columns resembling a chart of accounts. C. As a series of unrelated bullet points. D. In alphabetical order. What does the example sales projection table for my t-shirt company categorize by? A. Color. B. Size. C. Brand. D. Price. What does the formula, to get quantity per year, multiply the previous year's quantity by 1.10, represent in sales projections? A. A 10% decrease in quantity. B. A 10% increase in quantity. C. The total quantity. D. The average quantity. How can sales projections facilitate loan acquisition for a business? A. By predicting the weather. B. By showcasing profitability over time. C. By having a fancy office space. D. By hiring more employees. What is one advantage of sales projections for various departments in a business? A. Decreasing employee workload. B. Attracting potential investors. C. Ignoring budget constraints. D. Eliminating competition. Let us have a short review. True or false? Answer true if the statement is correct and answer false if the statement is incorrect. Sales projections are solely based on future expectations and do not involve an analysis of past financial results. Pricing strategies play a significant role in sales projections, influencing factors such as deal closure probability and profit margin. The pricing scheme for my t-shirt company is solely based on the complexity of the design, with no consideration for the size of the t-shirt. Sales projection charts, like the one for my t-shirt company, should organize projections in columns and rows resembling a chart of accounts. Sales projections can facilitate loan acquisition, as banks often base their decisions on a business's projected profitability over time. Presentation of the lesson.
Why is it important to keep business records? You may ask. Well, maintaining accurate business records is not just a mere administrative task, it's the backbone of a successful business. Business records serve as the compass that guides the ship, the map that navigates the terrain. They are the mirror reflecting the past, the lens focusing on the present, and the crystal ball foreseeing the future of your enterprise. These records are more than just piles of paperwork or gigabytes of data. They are the lifeblood coursing through the veins of a business, providing essential information to enable informed decision-making, ensure legal compliance, track progress, and enhance customer service. Without them, a business is like a ship lost at sea, tossed about by the tides of uncertainty. In this video, we will delve into the reasons that make business records an indispensable part of any business. So stay tuned as we unpack the value of business records in the journey to business success. Firstly, business records play a crucial role in facilitating decision-making. This might seem like a dry statement, but let's delve a bit deeper to understand its true significance. Think of your business as a ship sailing on the vast ocean. Now the business records are like the compass, the map, and the logbook, all rolled into one. They provide you with a clear direction, show you where you currently are, and narrate your journey so far. Just as a ship's captain uses these tools to navigate through the vast seas, business owners and managers use business records to guide their strategic decisions and planning. By presenting a clear picture of the company's financial health, business records offer valuable insights into the business's performance. They highlight the strengths and pinpoint the weaknesses, enabling you to make decisions that are data-driven and strategic, rather than impulsive and haphazard. Consider, for instance, a record of sales data. This record can help you understand which products or services are performing well and which ones are not. With this information at hand, you can decide to invest more in high-performing products or perhaps brainstorm on how to improve the ones that are lagging. Similarly, records of expenses can reveal cost inefficiencies that might be dragging down your profits. Once identified, you can take steps to rectify these inefficiencies and boost your bottom line. And let's not forget about records of customer interactions, which can help you understand your customers' needs and preferences, thereby guiding your marketing strategies. In essence, business records serve as a roadmap to your business's future. They provide the data and insights necessary to chart a path towards growth and success. Without them, running a business would be like sailing a ship without a compass or a map. You might get lucky and reach your destination, or you might get lost in the vast sea of uncertainty and risk. So in conclusion, without accurate business records, making informed decisions becomes a game of guesswork. And as any seasoned business owner will tell you, guesswork is not a strategy for success. Secondly, maintaining business records is fundamental for legal compliance. Now, you might be wondering why that's important. Well, the law requires businesses, whether they're small startups or multinational corporations, to keep comprehensive and accurate records. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Let's delve a little deeper. Every business is subject to tax obligations. The tax authorities, like the IRS in the United States, require businesses to keep a detailed record of their income and expenditures. This is to ensure that businesses correctly calculate and pay their taxes. Without proper records, it becomes nearly impossible to substantiate your tax returns. And that's a quick route to an audit or even a legal dispute. But it's not just about taxes. Other regulatory bodies may also require businesses to keep certain records. For example, if you're in the food industry, health and safety regulations might require you to keep records of your suppliers and the quality of your ingredients. In the financial sector, you might need to keep track of transactions to comply with anti-money laundering laws. And let's not forget about potential lawsuits. If a legal issue arises, whether it's a dispute with a supplier or a claim from a customer, having comprehensive records can be your saving grace. It can provide the evidence needed to support your position or even prove your innocence. The flip side of this coin is the potential legal consequences of not maintaining adequate records. Failure to keep proper records can result in fines, penalties, or even criminal charges. In extreme cases, it can lead to the dissolution of your business. So as you can see, keeping proper business records isn't just about being organized. It's about protecting yourself and your business from legal risks. It's about ensuring that your business operates within the confines of the law. And it's about safeguarding the future of your enterprise. A good record-keeping system can save you from possible legal headaches down the line. The third reason to keep business records is to track your business progress. Picture this, a ship sailing without a compass. It wouldn't know where it's going, right? The same concept applies to your business. Without proper records, you're essentially navigating your business without a compass. But when you keep records, you get the comprehensive picture of your business's journey, giving you a clear direction. Firstly, records allow you to measure your business growth over time. They act like milestones, providing tangible evidence of how far you've come. For instance, comparing your sales records from two different periods can offer insights into whether your business is expanding or contracting. Secondly, records provide a clear picture of your business's financial health. They highlight not just your sales, but also your expenses and profit. By analyzing these records, you can identify trends, patterns, or anomalies. This knowledge can be invaluable in making important financial decisions. For example, if your records show a consistent increase in expenses, it might be time to look for ways to cut costs. Furthermore, records offer an objective measure of your business's success. They provide hard facts and figures, which are more reliable than subjective feelings or assumptions. So, when you want to know how well your business is doing, don't just rely on a gut feeling. Look at your records. They'll give you a much more accurate picture. Also, remember that records are not just for the high times. They're equally important during challenging periods. They can help you understand what's not working and where improvements are needed. So even when the going gets tough, don't overlook the importance of keeping records. In conclusion, records are like a mirror to your business. They reflect your business's true state, showing you both the pretty and the not-so-pretty parts. They provide invaluable insights that you can use to steer your business towards success. Without the numbers to back it, how can you truly know if your business is progressing? The fourth reason is enhancing customer service. Now let's dive into how business records can serve as a powerful tool for bolstering your customer service. Imagine you're running a cafe. You have a regular customer who always orders a cappuccino with an extra shot of espresso and a dash of cinnamon. If you keep a record of this customer's orders, it shows that you value their preferences. The next time they walk in, you can ask, "The usual?" This small act of personalization can make a big difference in their overall experience. That's the power of business records. They help you track customer orders, preferences, and feedback. And this isn't just important in a cafe setting. Whether you're running a software company, a clothing boutique, or a consulting firm, understanding your customers' needs and preferences is crucial. But it doesn't stop with merely tracking orders and preferences. Business records also allow you to capture and analyze customer feedback. Have you ever bought a product, found an issue, reported it, and then seen that issue fixed in the next version? That's a company using customer feedback to improve their product. And guess what? That's also a company likely to win your loyalty. Through careful record keeping, you can collect all these valuable bits of information. You can find patterns, understand trends, and identify areas for improvement. You can see what's working and what's not. This data empowers you to make informed decisions that can enhance your products or services. But remember, it's not just about collecting data, it's about using that data to drive action. It's about making changes that lead to better customer experiences. It's about turning feedback into improvements. So don't underestimate the importance of business records. They're not just for keeping track of your finances or complying with legal requirements. They're also a key tool for improving customer service, leading to customer satisfaction and loyalty. With proper record keeping, you can turn your customers' feedback into actionable improvements. To wrap it up, let's revisit the reasons we've discussed for keeping business records. We've explored how maintaining accurate records can facilitate decision-making, providing a clear picture of where your business stands financially and operationally. This clarity allows for informed, strategic decisions that can propel your business forward. We also delved into the importance of records for legal compliance. Proper documentation ensures that your business meets all regulatory requirements, protecting you from potential legal disputes and penalties. Moreover, we've seen how records can be used to track business progress. They provide a historical timeline, helping you understand trends, identify growth opportunities, and address areas of concern. Lastly, we discussed how record keeping can enhance customer service. With detailed customer records, you can personalize your service, improve customer relationships, and ultimately boost sales. Remember, good record keeping is not just an administrative task, but a strategic tool for business success.
Why are business records compared to a ship's compass, map, and logbook in the analogy provided? How does a record of sales data contribute to informed decision-making for a business? Why does the analogy stress the importance of accurate business records by likening them to a ship's compass and map? Let's go to the lesson.
Keeping accurate and organized business records is crucial for various reasons, contributing to the overall success and sustainability of a business. Ang pagpapanatiling tumpak at organisadong mga tala ng negosyo ay mahalaga para sa iba't ibang dahilan na nag-aambag sa pangkalahatang tagumpay at pagpapanatili ng isang negosyo. Here are some key importance of maintaining business records. Legal compliance. Financial management. Tax obligations. Audit preparedness. Financial analysis. Operational decision-making. Business planning. Creditworthiness. Employee management. Business continuity. Legal compliance, adhering to legal requirements is a fundamental reason to maintain business records. Governments and regulatory bodies often mandate businesses to keep records for tax purposes, employment regulations, and other compliance issues. Ang pagsunod sa mga legal na kinakailangan ay isang pangunahing dahilan upang mapanatili ang mga talaan ng negosyo. Ang mga pamahalaan at mga regulatory body ay kadalasang nag-uutos sa mga negosyo na panatilihin ang mga record para sa mga layunin ng buwis, mga regulasyon sa pagtatrabaho, at iba pang mga isyu sa pagsunod. Financial management. Accurate financial records are essential for managing the financial health of a business. Records help in tracking income, expenses, profits, and losses. This information is critical for budgeting, forecasting, and making informed financial decisions. Ang mga tumpak na talaan sa pananalapi ay mahalaga para sa pamamahala sa kalusugan ng pananalapi ng isang negosyo. Nakakatulong ang mga record sa pagsubaybay sa kita, gastos, kita, at pagkalugi. Ang impormasyong ito ay mahalaga para sa pagbabudget, pagtataya, at paggawa ng matalinong mga desisyon sa pananalapi. Tax obligations. Detailed and well-organized records are essential for filing accurate tax returns. Keeping track of income, expenses, deductions, and credits ensures that the business complies with tax laws and can potentially minimize tax liability. Ang mga detalyado at maayos na record ay mahalaga para sa paghahain ng tumpak ng mga pagbabalik ng buwis. Ang pagsubaybay sa kita, mga gastos, pagbabawas, at mga kredito ay nagsisiguro na ang negosyo ay sumusunod sa mga batas sa buwis at posibleng mabawasan ang pananagutan sa buwis. Audit preparedness. In the event of an audit, having comprehensive business records is crucial. Whether it's an internal audit for process improvement or an external audit by a regulatory body, organized records can save time, reduce stress, and demonstrate transparency. Sa kaganapan ng isang pag-audit, ang pagkakaroon ng mga komprehensibong talaan ng negosyo ay mahalaga. Kung ito man ay isang panloob na pag-audit para sa pagpapabuti ng proseso o isang panlabas na pag-audit ng isang regulatory body, ang mga organisadong talaan ay maaaring makatipid ng oras, mabawasan ng stress, at magpakita ng transparency. Financial analysis, business records provide valuable data for financial analysis. By reviewing historical financial records, businesses can identify trends, assess performance, and make strategic decisions to improve efficiency and profitability. Ang mga talaan ng negosyo ay nagbibigay ng mahalagang data para sa pagsusuri sa pananalapi. Sa pamamagitan ng pagrepaso sa mga makasaysayang talaan sa pananalapi, matutukoy ng mga negosyo ang mga uso, masuri ang pagganap, at gumawa ng mga madiskarteng desisyon upang mapabuti ang kahusayan at kakayahang kumita. Operational decision-making, records help in day-to-day decision-making. They provide insights into inventory levels, customer behavior, and other operational aspects, enabling businesses to make informed choices that can enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Nakakatulong ang mga record sa pang-araw-araw na paggawa ng desisyon. Nagbibigay sila ng mga insight sa mga antas ng inventaryo, pag-uugali ng customer, at iba pang aspeto ng pagpapatakbo, na nagbibigay daan sa mga negosyo na gumawa ng matalinong mga pagpipilian na maaaring mapahusay ang kahusayan at pagiging epektibo. Business planning, records play a key role in business planning. Whether it's setting financial goals, expanding operations, or securing financing, having accurate historical data helps in creating realistic and achievable business plans. Ang mga talaan ay may mahalagang papel sa pagpaplano ng negosyo. Magtakda man ito ng mga layunin sa pananalapi, pagpapalawak ng mga operasyon, o pag-secure ng financing, ang pagkakaroon ng tumpak na makasaysayang data ay nakakatulong sa paglikha ng makatotohanan at maaabot ng mga plano sa negosyo. Creditworthiness, lenders and investors often require access to a business's financial records to assess its creditworthiness. A well-maintained set of records can improve the chances of obtaining loans or attracting investment. Ang mga nagpapahiram at mamumuhunan ay madalas na nangangailangan ng access sa mga record ng pananalapi ng isang negosyo upang masuri ang pagiging credit nito. Ang isang mahusay na pinananatili na hanay ng mga record ay maaaring mapabuti ang mga pagkakataon na makakuha ng mga pautang o makaakit ng pamumuhunan. Employee management, records related to employees, such as payroll information, attendance, and performance reviews, are vital for effective human resource management. This information is essential for compliance with labor laws and for fostering a positive work environment. Ang mga record na nauugnay sa mga empleyado, tulad ng impormasyon sa payroll, pagdalo, at mga pagsusuri sa pagganap, ay mahalaga para sa epektibong pamamahala ng human resource. Ang impormasyong ito ay mahalaga para sa pagsunod sa mga batas sa paggawa at para sa pagpapaunlad ng isang positibong kapaligiran sa trabaho. Business continuity, in the event of unforeseen circumstances, such as disasters or legal challenges, having well-organized records facilitates business continuity. It allows for a smoother transition in case of a change in ownership, leadership, or during crisis management. Kung sakaling magkaroon ng mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, tulad ng mga sakuna o legal na hamon, ang pagkakaroon ng maayos na mga talaan ay nagpapadali sa pagpapatuloy ng negosyo. Nagbibigay daan ito para sa isang mas maayos na paglipat sa kaso ng pagbabago sa pagmamay-ari, pamumuno, o sa panahon ng pamamahala ng krisis. In summary, maintaining business records is not only a legal requirement but also a strategic and operational necessity for the effective management, growth, and sustainability of a business. Sa buod, ang pagpapanatili ng mga record ng negosyo ay hindi lamang isang legal na pangangailangan kundi pati na rin ang isang estratehiko at pagpapatakbo na pangangailangan para sa epektibong pamamahala, paglago, at pagpapanatili ng isang negosyo. Accounting business records play a crucial role in tracking financial transactions, analyzing business performance, and ensuring compliance with financial regulations. Ito ay gumaganap ng isang mahalagang papel sa pagsubaybay sa mga transaksyon sa pananalapi, pagsusuri sa pagganap ng negosyo, at pagtiyak ng pagsunod sa mga regulasyon sa pananalapi. Ang mga talaan ng negosyo sa accounting ay bumubuo sa gulugad ng infrastruktura sa pananalapi ng isang kumpanya na nagsisilbing isang kailangang-kailangan na tool para sa pamamahala at pag-unawa sa mga aktibidad na pang-ekonomiya nito. Ang mga talaang ito ay sumasaklaw sa isang komprehensibang hanay ng mga transaksyon pinansyal na kumukuha ng masalimuot na mga detalye ng mga pakikitungo sa pananalapi ng organisasyon. Ang maselang dokumentasyon ng kita, gastos, ari-arian, at pananagutan ay nagbibigay ng malinaw at tumpak na representasyon ng kalusugan sa pananalapi at kahusayan sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo. There are several types of accounting records, each serving a specific purpose. Here are some common types of accounting business records. General ledger. Journals. Accounts receivable and accounts payable records. Cash book. Bank reconciliation statements. Inventory records. Fixed asset records. Payroll records. Trial balance. Financial statements. Tax records. Voucher records. Budgets. Depreciation schedules. General ledger. The general ledger is a core accounting record that contains all the financial transactions of a business. It includes accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Ang pangkalahatang ledger ay isang pangunahing talaan ng accounting na naglalaman ng lahat ng mga transaksyong pinansyal ng isang negosyo. Kabilang dito ang mga account para sa mga asset, pananagutan, equity, kita, at mga gastos. Journals. Journals are the initial recording of financial transactions. Ang mga journal ay ang unang pagtatala ng mga transaksyong pinansyal. Common types of journals include Sales Journal, records sales transactions. Itinatala ang mga transaksyon sa pagbebenta. Purchase Journal, records purchases of goods or services. Itinatala ang mga pagbili ng mga produkto o serbisyo. Cash Receipts Journal, records cash received. Itinatala ang cash na natanggap. Cash Disbursements Journal, records cash payments. Itinatala ang mga pagbabayad ng cash. Accounts receivable and accounts payable records. These records track amounts owed by customers, accounts receivable, and amounts owed to suppliers, accounts payable. Sinusubaybayan ng mga record na ito ang mga halagang dapat bayaran ng mga customer, accounts receivable, at mga halagang dapat bayaran sa mga supplier, accounts payable. Cash book. A cash book records all cash transactions, including receipts and payments. It helps in reconciling cash balances. Itinatala ng cash book ang lahat ng cash transaction, kabilang ang mga resibo at pagbabayad. Nakakatulong ito sa pag-reconcile ng mga balanse ng cash. Bank reconciliation statements. These statements reconcile the differences between the cash book and bank statements, ensuring accuracy in recorded transactions. Ang mga statement na ito ay nagkakasundo sa mga pagkakaiba sa pagitan ng cash book at mga bank statement na tinitiyak ang katumpakan sa mga naitalang transaksyon. Inventory records. Businesses that deal with physical products maintain inventory records to track the quantity and value of their stock. Ang mga negosyong nakikitungo sa mga pisikal na produkto ay nagpapanatili ng mga talaan ng inventaryo upang masubaybayan ang dami at halaga ng kanilang stock. Fixed asset records. Fixed asset records track the acquisition, depreciation, and disposal of long-term assets, such as property, plant, and equipment. Sinusubaybayan ng mga tala ng nakapirming asset ang pagkuha, pagbaba ng halaga, at pagtatapon ng mga pangmatagalang asset, gaya ng ari-arian, planta, at kagamitan. Payroll records. Payroll records detail employee compensation, including wages, taxes, and deductions. Ang mga talaan ng sweldo ay nagdedetalye ng kabayaran sa empleyado, kabilang ang mga sahod, buwis, at mga bawas. Trial balance. A trial balance is a summary of the balances of all accounts in the general ledger. It helps in detecting errors and ensuring that debits equal credits. Ang trial balance ay isang buod ng mga balanse ng lahat ng accounts sa general ledger. Nakakatulong ito sa pagdetect ng mga error at pagtiyak na nagdedebit ng pantay ng mga kredito. Financial statements. Financial statements, such as the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, provide a summary of a company's financial performance and position. Ang mga financial statement, gaya ng income statement, balance sheet, at cash flow statement, ay nagbibigay ng buod ng financial performance at posisyon ng kumpanya. Tax records. Businesses maintain records for tax purposes, including income tax, sales tax, and other applicable taxes. Ang mga negosyo ay nagpapanatili ng mga tala para sa mga layunin ng buwis, kabilang ang buwis sa kita, buwis sa pagbebenta, at iba pang naangkop na buwis. Voucher records. Vouchers provide supporting documentation for financial transactions. They may include invoices, receipts, and other evidence of transactions. Ang mga voucher ay nagbibigay ng sumusuportang dokumentasyon para sa mga transaksyong pinansyal. Maaaring kasama sa mga ito ang mga invoice, resibo, at iba pang ebidensya ng mga transaksyon. Budgets. Budgets detail the planned income and expenses for a specific period, helping businesses monitor and control their financial activities. Idinetalye ng mga budget ang nakaplanong kita at gastos para sa isang partikular na panahon na tumutulong sa mga negosyo na subaybayan at kontrolin ang kanilang mga aktibidad sa pananalapi. Depreciation schedules for assets subject to depreciation. A schedule is maintained to track the decrease in value over time. Para sa mga asset na napapailalim sa depreciation, pinapanatili ang isang schedule upang subaybayan ang pagbaba ng halaga sa paglipas ng panahon. These records collectively contribute to the accurate and comprehensive financial reporting of a business, aiding in decision-making, performance analysis, and compliance. The specific records a business maintains may vary based on its size, industry, and regulatory requirements. Ang mga talaang ito ay sama-samang nag-aambag sa tumpak at komprehensibong pag-uulat sa pananalapi ng isang negosyo na tumutulong sa paggawa ng desisyon, pagsusuri sa pagganap, at pagsunod. Ang mga partikular na talaan na pinapanatili ng isang negosyo ay maaaring mag-iba batay sa laki, industriya, at mga kinakailangan sa regulasyon.
Why is it essential for businesses to maintain accurate financial records? How do well-organized business records contribute to audit preparedness? In what ways do business records support operational decision-making? Why do lenders and investors often require access to a business's financial records? How do business records contribute to business continuity during unforeseen circumstances? Let's review the lesson.
Here are some key importance of maintaining business records. Legal compliance. Financial management. Tax obligations. Audit preparedness. Financial analysis. Operational decision-making. Business planning. Creditworthiness. Employee management. Business continuity. There are several types of accounting records, each serving a specific purpose. Here are some common types of accounting business records. General ledger. Journals. Accounts receivable and accounts payable records. Cash book. Bank reconciliation statements. Inventory records. Fixed asset records. Payroll records. Trial balance. Financial statements. Tax records. Voucher records. Budgets. Depreciation schedules.
Let's take a look at the example.
Let's illustrate the importance of keeping business records with a hypothetical example. Imagine a small manufacturing business that produces handmade furniture. This business keeps meticulous records to ensure smooth operations and compliance with various regulations. Isipin ang isang maliit na negosyo sa pagmamanupaktura na gumagawa ng mga kasangkapang gawa sa kamay. Ang negosyong ito ay nagpapanatili ng masusing mga record upang matiyak ang maayos na operasyon at pagsunod sa iba't ibang mga regulasyon. Legal compliance. The business maintains records of its employee work hours, wages, and benefits to comply with labor laws and regulations. Ang negosyo ay nagpapanatili ng mga talaan ng mga oras ng trabaho, sahod, at mga benepisyo ng empleyado nito upang sumunod sa mga batas at regulasyon sa paggawa. Detailed records of raw material purchases, production processes, and finished goods help in adhering to environmental and safety regulations. Nakakatulong ang mga detalyadong tala ng mga pagbili ng hilaw na material, proseso ng produksyon, at mga natapos na produkto sa pagsunod sa mga regulasyon sa kapaligiran at kaligtasan. Financial management. Accurate financial records track the cost of raw materials, labor, and overhead, enabling the business to set competitive prices and maintain profitability. Sinusubaybayan ng mga tumpak na talaan sa pananalapi ang halaga ng mga hindi na proprosesong materyales, paggawa, at overhead, na nagbibigay daan sa negosyo na magtakda ng mga mapagkumpetensyang presyo at mapanatili ang kakayahang kumita. Monthly financial statements help in monitoring cash flow, identifying areas for cost reduction, and allocating resources effectively. Ang mga buwan ng pahayag sa pananalapi ay nakakatulong sa pagsubaybay sa daloy ng salapi, pagtukoy ng mga lugar para sa pagbabawas ng gastos at epektibong paglalaan ng mga mapagkukunan. Tax obligations. The business keeps records of all sales transactions, expenses, and applicable taxes, facilitating the preparation of accurate tax returns. Ang negosyo ay nagpapanatili ng mga talaan ng lahat ng mga transaksyon sa pagbebenta, mga gastos, at mga naangkop na buwis, na nagpapadali sa paghahanda ng mga tumpak na pagbabalik ng buwis. Documentation of eligible tax deductions such as equipment purchases or business-related travel, helps minimize the tax liability. Ang dokumentasyon ng mga karapat-dapat na bawas sa buwis, tulad ng mga pagbili ng kagamitan o paglalakbay na nauugnay sa negosyo, ay nakakatulong na mabawasan ang pananagutan sa buwis. Audit preparedness. In preparation for a potential audit, the business maintains a comprehensive set of records, including invoices, receipts, and bank statements, ensuring transparency and accuracy. Bilang paghahanda para sa isang potensyal na pag-audit, ang negosyo ay nagpapanatili ng isang komprehensibong hanay ng mga tala, kabilang ang mga invoice, resibo, at bank statement, na tinitiyak ang transparency at katumpakan. Financial analysis. Historical financial records allow the business to analyze trends in production costs, sales volumes, and profit margins, aiding in strategic decision-making. Ang mga makasaysayang talaan sa pananalapi ay nagpapahintulot sa negosyo na suriin ang mga uso sa mga gasto sa produksyon, dami ng mga benta, at mga margin ng kita, na tumutulong sa madiskarteng paggawa ng desisyon. Operational decision-making. Inventory records help the business manage stock levels efficiently, preventing overstock or stockouts. Ang mga talaan ng inventaryo ay tumutulong sa negosyo na pamahalaan ang mga antas ng stock ng mahusay, na pumipigil sa labis na stock o mga stockout. Sales records provide insights into customer preferences, allowing for adjustments in product offerings. Nagbibigay ang mga talaan ng benta ng mga insights sa mga kagustuhan ng customer, na nagbibigay daan para sa mga pagsasaayo sa mga inaalok na produkto. Business planning. The business refers to past financial records when creating annual budgets, setting sales targets, and planning for expansion. Ang negosyo ay tumutukoy sa mga nakaraang talaan sa pananalapi kapag gumagawa ng mga taonang budget, nagtatakda ng mga target sa pagbebenta, at nagpaplano para sa pagpapalawak. Creditworthiness. Lenders and investors review the business's financial statements and credit history to assess its creditworthiness when considering loan applications. Sinusuri ng mga nagpapahiram at namumuhunan ng mga financial statement at credit history ng negosyo upang masuri ang pagiging credit nito kapag isinasaalang-alang ang mga aplikasyon sa pautang. Employee management. Payroll records are crucial for ensuring timely and accurate payment to employees, maintaining employee satisfaction and compliance with labor laws. Ang mga talaan ng payroll ay mahalaga para sa pagtiyak ng napapanahon at tumpak na pagbabayad sa mga empleyado, pagpapanatili ng kasiyahan ng empleyado at pagsunod sa mga batas sa paggawa. Business continuity. In the unfortunate event of a natural disaster damaging the production facility, insurance claims and asset depreciation schedules help in the recovery process. Sa kapaspalad na kaganapan ng isang natural na kalamidad na sumisira sa pasilidad ng produksyon, ang mga claim sa insurance at mga ischedule ng pagbaba ng halaga ng asset ay nakakatulong sa proseso ng pagbawi. By maintaining these records, the furniture manufacturing business not only meets its legal obligations but also positions itself for sustainable growth, efficient operations, and informed decision-making in a competitive market. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapanatili ng mga record na ito, hindi lamang natutugunan ng negosyong pagmamanupaktura ng muebles ang mga legal na obligasyon nito kundi ipinoposisyon din ang sarili nito para sa napapanatiling paglago, mahusay na operasyon, at matalinong paggawa ng desisyon sa isang mapagkumpetensyang merkado.
Let's do something fun or engaging. True or false? Answer true if the statement is correct and answer false if the statement is incorrect. Maintaining business records is primarily important for financial analysis and strategic decision-making. The general ledger is a type of accounting record that includes accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Payroll records are essential for effective human resource management, compliance with labor laws, and fostering a positive work environment. Bank reconciliation statements are used to track the quantity and value of a business's physical products. Voucher records, including invoices and receipts, serve as supporting documentation for financial transactions. Create a comprehensive accounting records system for ABC Electronics to ensure legal compliance, efficient financial management, and informed decision-making. Identify types of transactions. List the types of financial transactions ABC Electronics engages in, example sales, purchases, payroll, expenses. Chart of accounts. Develop a chart of accounts specific to ABC Electronics, including categories like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. As a student, understanding the lesson can have practical applications in various aspects of daily living. How does accurate business record keeping aid legal compliance, and why is awareness of legal obligations crucial in personal financial activities? From business finance practices, how can individuals apply income and expense tracking, along with budgeting, for effective personal financial management? What are the benefits of well-organized personal records for taxes, and can you cite examples of deductions or credits easily overlooked without proper record keeping? Despite lacking external audits, how does organized personal financial record keeping assist in financial reviews, planning, or unexpected situations? How can historical financial records empower individuals to analyze spending patterns, identify trends, and make informed decisions for future financial goals? Wrap up, answer the 3-2-1 and record your responses on the provided template. List down 3 things that you learned from the lesson. List 2 controversial ideas, things you disagree with or confuse, from the lesson. List 1 question you have in your mind regarding the lesson. Let's have a post-ist. In accounting, what do fixed asset records primarily track? A. Employee compensation. B. Changes in inventory levels. C. Long-term assets like property and equipment. D. Sales transactions. Which financial statement provides a summary of a company's financial performance over a specific period? A. Bank reconciliation statement. B. Trial balance. C. Income statement. D. Balance sheet. Why are payroll records important in accounting business records? A. Improving financial analysis. B. Tracking customer transactions. C. Managing employee compensation. D. Facilitating business planning. What purpose do voucher records serve in accounting? A. Tracking inventory levels. B. Providing evidence of financial transactions. C. Summarizing financial transactions. D. Managing employee performance. What is the primary function of a trial balance in accounting? A. Facilitating business planning. B. Summarizing financial transactions. C. Reconciling cash and bank balances. D. Detecting errors in accounts. Why do businesses maintain tax records? A. Improving financial analysis. B. Facilitating business planning. C. Adhering to tax obligations. D. Tracking customer transactions. What is the purpose of budgets in accounting? A. Providing evidence of financial transactions. B. Summarizing financial transactions. C. Monitoring and controlling financial activities. D. Tracking employee performance. Why are depreciation schedules maintained for certain assets in accounting? A. Tracking inventory levels. B. Reconciling cash and bank balances. C. Managing employee performance. D. Tracking the decrease in asset value over time. Which type of journal records sales transactions in accounting business records? A. Purchase journal. B. Cash receipts journal. C. Cash disbursements journal. D. Sales journal. What role do inventory records play in accounting for businesses dealing with physical products? A. Tracking inventory levels. B. Managing employee performance. C. Reconciling cash and bank balances. D. Summarizing financial transactions. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Thank you. And God bless you always.
Sana ay nasiyahan kayo at may natutunan kayong bago sa aming paksa sa entrepreneurship self-learning video. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, mangyaring bigyan ang video na ito ng thumbs up. Huwag kalimutang ibahagi ang video na ito sa iyong mga kaibigan. Kung mayroon kang mga komento, tanong, o mungkahi, maaari kang mag-iwan ng mensahe sa seksyon ng komento sa ibaba. Maraming salamat sa panunood ng aking mga video. Sana magkita ulit tayo sa susunod kong video, and God bless you always. Ito ay ang Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.